everyone, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make veg pizza without using an oven. It's a quick and easy recipe and tastes just like pizza from any fast food outlet. Do try it out and let me know your comments. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. First we have to activate the yeast. Take 3/4 cup of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it, stir well. Now put 1.5 teaspoon of dry yeast. Stir well, cover and keep for 10 minutes till the mixture ferments. I had already kept this for fermenting for 15 minutes and it has turned like this. The first step is to make the dough. To the mixing bowl, add the flour. Now add the fermented yeast. Put the salt. A little bit oil. Mix it with a spoon till all the ingredients get mixed well. You can add a little bit of water and make a firm dough. The dough is now kneaded. Cover and keep till the dough doubles. Now put all the vegetables, that is the red bell pepper, green bell pepper, tomatoes as well as the onions to this bowl. Put about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well and keep aside. I'm putting the salt because if you don't put it, then the vegetables will be bland when you're eating the pizza. I have not added the olives because olives already have salt in them. I'm using this utensil to make my pizza today. You have to first preheat this utensil. Put a little bit salt inside, put some more salt. Then I will keep this inside the vessel. This I took it out from my microwave. like that. You can use any lid to keep it instead of this. Close it and keep it on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm using one claw to close this hole here because I want to trap all the heat inside the utensil. The dough is now doubled. I will be making the pizza in this non-stick pan. Put a little bit oil and grease the pan on all sides. Now spread the dough evenly to make a pizza base. The base is spread evenly. Now I am putting the pizza sauce. I'm using the ready-made pizza sauce here. You can even make the pizza sauce at home. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. This is shredded cheese. Now put the vegetables. Now put the olives on top. Top it up with some cheese. I'm using the mozzarella cheese here. Sprinkle some oregano on top. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Veg pizza is now ready to be baked. Place it inside the heated utensil. Cover and cook for 12 minutes on medium flame. After 12 minutes, let's see if the pizza is done. Yes, it's perfectly done. Homemade veg pizza is now ready to be served.